G'day everyone, this is Chriso. This is how I put in a strip drain. There is always water that soaks through the grout, runs down the waterproof and into the hole. This is how I set it up. Tap it nicely into place. Like so. Then I put more mud in there, and that's just a sample. And then I do the angle. I'll cut that one first and place it in, and then I'll know my angle for there, and we're laughing. And that's all there is to it. Bring that along a little bit. Yep. Alright, I'll cut those few bits and I'll come back to you. This is how you tile around your strip drain. It's what I find, where's my trowel? It's what I find the quickest and easiest way. Couch potatoes and haters might think of another way. But this is the fastest way I know. I did that twice the other day. In one day, my trowel fell in and my handle hit the glue twice. God, I hate that. You bed your tile down. Don't try and use glue. No, it sinks. Throw your mud in. Like so. Don't stomp it down too tight. Because you've got to have a little room for it to compress. But you put glue on your tile. You'll see in a minute. And this will all dry so strong, it'll last forever and ever. Good luck to the bloke that strips this bathroom out in 20 odd years. Oh, might even be 10, like on the Gold Coast. Anything that's 15 years old is old. I shit you not. So what you do is you tap it into place You want to put a little bit of slope on that, which it has. You take it out, pop some glue on it, like so. And that's bedding your tile, people, into your mud. That's how Rome was built, but they didn't use glue, they used cement. Cement's been around for hundreds of years. It's the best stuff out. I did a lady's house quite a few years ago, and she was allergic to the 21st century, so allergic to any glues and polymers and additives and all that sort of crapolo that you've got in your glue these days. So the whole job was done with sand and cement. The whole job. No glue. So it was like doing it the way the Romans did it. With your sand and cement. Okay. Just give it a bit of a wipe. Where is a little wedge? Right, on to the next. Okay, we'll see you soon. That's that done. I need to go around my top now, but I'll do these architraves. And then I've got a bit over there on the floor. Cool. So what I want to do, I'll be coming back Monday. Today's Friday. What I want to do is just have to do the grout, and I'll be done. I need to fit the cabinet, but I'll grout and silicon first. Today I'll probably do my silicon like I did one time before, and then all I've got to do is the grout. Where's my knife? Just while I saw that, bit of glue. Okay people, we'll see you soon.